In this video, I will show you how to convert PDF to DWG with actual scale. Before importing PDF, check units for length in Autocad, type DWG units. My units are currently in millimeters. To import PDF, go to Insert PDF, then select PDF Import. We will be converting this PDF to DWG. Go to Insert, PDF, PDF Import, then scroll down to select the PDF and open. Select the page that you need to import. After selecting, then click OK. Then pick or click the insertion point and Autocad will do its magic. The next step is to determine whether the drawing is to scale using a reference length. I will measure the distance from grid A to grid B and use this as my reference length. I will activate Snap Objects and create a linear dimension between A and B. Since the length is 0.98 mm instead of 2,500 mm, the drawing is not to the correct scale. Therefore, we need to scale the drawing. Type calculator, then hit Enter to activate calculator and divide the actual length 2,500 mm by the current length 0.98. Cut or copy the scale factor from calculator, then select the drawing, activate Scale in Home page, pick a base point, type or paste the scale factor and hit Enter in your keyboard. We need to check again our reference length and see if the drawing is now to the correct scale. The length is not 2,500, so we will activate calculator again using type a command and find the new scale factor. Then we will rescale again the drawing. Divide actual length with current length and copy the scale factor. Select the drawing, go to Home, pick Scale in Modify, select a base point, paste the scale factor and hit Enter in your keyboard to rescale the drawing. The reference length is now 2,500 millimeters, so the drawing is now to the correct scale. Type dim style to modify the dimension. Change the precision to O. Change arrow size to 250. Change text height to 250. Click OK, then close. You can confirm by continuing to create other linear dimensions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.